Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the settings file system error code -789839839862 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 computer when attempting to launch the Windows settings application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one's going to be the system file checker utility. So if you just want to type it out, you can. I'm just going to copy and paste it in from the description of my video. So then I'm going to right click on the top bar of the command prompt, select edit, and then paste it in. Again, this is in the description of my video. It's SFC, then a space, /scannow. Scannow is all one word, no spaces in between the scan and the now. Then hit enter. And then this will take a couple minutes to run for most of you guys, so just please be patient. Okay, so you can see Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So go ahead and close out of here. So once you have finished running the first scan, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. It's a DISM command, so just go ahead and copy that. Again, paste it into the command prompt window here. Again, you can see it on my screen. If you'd rather pause it and just type it out exactly how you see it, you're welcome to do that as well. And then hit enter, and then give this one a little bit of time to run as well. So once this is done running, you just would go ahead and just close out of here and then restart your computer, and that would be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.